Hello guys, welcome to my channel and today I am going to do EXP22 word chapter 2 cumulative pool. Basically this is the second chapter of word section of this Pearson course, and in this video I will be doing this assignment step by step and you can get your assignment done by watching this complete video. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, including all the Excel, Word, PowerPoint or Access assignments, then you can contact me and you can hire me for your complete course. You can also hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics or statistics. So at start of the instruction we are given with project description. There is nothing to solve in this project description, but I suggest you to read this project description well, get an idea about the assignment. Once you will go through this, you will understand the assignment well and this will be easy for you to solve this assignment on your own. Then we have main part of the assignment, that is steps to perform to complete this project, and we have a total of 19 steps to get this assignment done. In this video, I am not only going to solve the questions or steps for you, I am also going to make you learn the Microsoft Word as well. So if you want to do this assignment or if you want to learn Microsoft Word, please follow me step by step and watch till the end, then you will be able to solve this on your own. So now let's move to step number 1 of the assignment. Step number 1 of the assignment is saying, start Word, download and open the file named EXP22 Word Chapter 2 Cumulative Pool. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Ensure that non-printing characters are displayed. So first of all, we are supposed to download this Word document. I have already downloaded and you can download this from your Pearson or course dashboard. This is the Word document that we gonna use to solve this assignment. We will apply all the instructions, all the steps to this Word document, and we will make this Word document in the final form for the submission. Okay, then we are supposed to show the non-printing characters. So go to the Home tab. In paragraph section, you can see this sign or symbol. This is for showing or hiding the non-printing characters. So turn this on to show the non-printing characters by clicking on that. So now you can see the non-printing characters into the document. That is all about step number 1. There is nothing else to solve in step number 1. So now let's move to step number 2. Select crystal clear perfection at the end of the first body paragraph and bold it. So we will go to the end of first body paragraph and we can see crystal clear perfection here. And we are supposed to bold this. So go to the Home tab and apply bold formatting, this one. So we were supposed to select this and we were supposed to bold this. Then this is saying select all the text and change the font to Arial. Change the alignment of selected text to justify. So we are supposed to select all of the text, press Ctrl A. We are supposed to select all of the text and we are supposed to apply Arial font. Arial font, and then we are supposed to apply justify alignment. So go to the Home tab and in paragraph section you can see the different alignment options, and this last one is for the justify alignment, so select this one. So we have justified all of the text into this document. Okay, that is all about step number 2, where we were supposed to change the font and then we were supposed to apply the justify alignment. So we are done with step number 2 as well. Okay, so now we're gonna do next step of the assignment, that is step number 3. Step number 3 is saying select the first 2 body paragraphs on page 1 and adjust the line spacing to 1.5. Ensure that the paragraph spacing before and after is 0 point for the selected paragraphs. Apply a first line indent for the 2 paragraphs of 0.5. So first of all, we will go to the Word document and we will select the first 2 paragraphs. So these are first two body paragraphs and we are supposed to make the line spacing to 1.5. So go to the home tab, and in paragraph section you can see this symbol. Click this and you can see different line spacing. So we are supposed to make the line spacing to 1.5, this one. So I have made the line spacing to 1.5. Then go to the home tab again and go to paragraph section and click this arrow. Okay, now we are supposed to make the paragraph spacing before and after to 0 as mentioned in the instruction, before and after to 0. So go to the spacing here, and before spacing is auto, but make it 0. Okay, and also make the spacing after to 0, this one. Okay, then we are supposed to apply first line indent. So go to indentation and go to spatial and apply first line and 0.5. So we are supposed to apply before and after spacing to 0. Then we are supposed to apply first line indent of 0.5. Click OK. So that is all about step number 3. So we are done with third step of the assignment. So now we're going to do next step, that is step number 4. Step number 4 is saying select all subheading that are formatted in bold and change the font size to 14 points. So now this is saying we are supposed to select all of the headings that are formatted in bold, and then we are supposed to change the font size to 14 points. So now we can see that this heading is in bold. So select the first heading, that is get rid of debris. Okay, then press Control button and select the second heading. Okay, that is formatted as bold. Then again press the Control button and select this third heading, that is vacuum the pool. Okay, then press the hold button and select this heading and also select this heading. Okay, then again press the Control button, select this heading and this heading. Okay, so we have selected all the headings that are formatted as bold. So we are supposed to select all of the headings that are formatted as bold. Then we are supposed to change the font size to 14 points. Okay, so go to the home tab, go to font and apply 14 point, this one. Okay, so we have changed the font size for all the heading that are formatted as bold to 14 point, and that is all about step number 4 of the assignment. So we are done with step number 4. So now we're gonna do next step, that is step number 5. Step number 5 is saying select the 4 paragraph that precede the get rid of debris heading, beginning with check the pool's water balance and ending with add an algicide. Add a box double line border with 3/4 line weight and a color of blue gray text 2. Shade the bordered area with the blue gray text 2, lighter 60% under theme color. Okay, so first we are supposed to select the 4 paragraphs here. We are supposed to select these 4 paragraphs. Okay, then it is saying beginning with check the pool water balance. Okay, we are supposed to add a box double line border. Add a box double line border with 3/4 weight and color of blue gray text 2, and shading should be blue gray text 2, lighter 60%. So select these 4 paragraphs, go to the home tab, and in paragraph section you can see this box with the arrow. Click the arrow and select border and shading. So now we are supposed to select the setting for the border, that should be box, because we are going to add a box border. Then the line style should be double line, this one. Color should be blue gray text 2. This is blue gray text 2. Okay, then weight should be 3/4, this one. So we are going to apply a box border with double line style. Color should be blue gray text 2 and line should be, weight should be 3/4. Then shading should be blue gray text 2, lighter 60%. So we will select blue gray text 2, lighter 60%. This is blue gray text 2, lighter 60%. Okay, apply. Okay, so we have added a box border to these 4 paragraphs. Okay, that is all about step number 5 of the assignment, where we were supposed to add a box border to these 4 paragraphs, and then we were supposed to apply the shading of blue gray text to lighter 60%. So that is all about step number 5. So we are done with step number 5. So now let me do next step, that is step number 6. Display the ruler. Click or position the insertion point at the top of the document and press enter. Click or select the newly inserted blank paragraph. Drag or move the first line indent marker back to the left margin to remove the first line indent from the blank paragraph. So first of all, we will go to the Word document and we are supposed to display the ruler. In my case, you can see this horizontal ruler and vertical ruler. If in your case it is not showing, go to the View tab and check the box for this ruler. Like now this is here, disappeared. Now I will check, this will come again. Okay, so this is the ruler. Now we will click at the top of the document here before this first body paragraph and press enter. Now go back to the first blank paragraph. Now you can see that this has a first line indent. We can remove this first line indent to drag this to the 0. Okay, so we have removed the first line indent from this one. Okay, you can see this from here. You can confirm there that in this case there is no first line indent. So if or you can do this like this, go to the home tab, go to paragraph section, click this arrow and make the first line indent to none, and it will be removed from this one. Or you can drag the ruler to the left to remove the first line indent. Okay, so that then it is saying, okay, so we are supposed to click or position the insertion point, then we are supposed to press enter, then we are supposed to remove the first line indent. That is all about step number 6. So we are done with step number 6. So now let's do step number 7. Set a left tab at 1 inch and right tab at 5 inch. Ensure that the right tab includes a dash ladder. Press tab and type viewer pool. Press tab and type viewer way. Change the font for your pool and your way to Lucida calligraphy. Bold the both text on the first line and change the font size to 10 points. So first we are supposed to set the tabs. So to set the tab, just go to the home tab, then go to paragraph section and click this arrow. Okay, so now click this arrow. So now to set the tab, just click the tab. So we are supposed to set left tab at 1 inch. So we will type 1 here, and you are supposed to select this left alignment because we are going to set the left tab. So select this left option, type 1 here, select left and click set. Okay, now we are supposed to set the right tab, that should be 5 inch. So type 5. Now in alignment select right, but we are supposed to make sure that the right tab should include a dash ladder. So we will select ladder, that is option 2, and click set and click OK. So we have set the tabs. So now we are supposed to tap or press the tab here. Then we are supposed to type your pool. So now I will type your pool. Your pool. Okay. Again press the tab and type your way. Okay. This one. So now we are supposed to change the text style for these 2 words to Lucida calligraphy. Here you can see the Lucida calligraphy. Select this and also change the font size to 10 points. Okay, and also we are supposed to apply the bold formatting. So apply bold. So we are done with step number 7 of the assignment, where we were supposed to set the tabs. After setting the tabs, we were supposed to write these 2 words, your pool and your way. Then we were supposed to change the font style to the Lucida calligraphy and font size to the 10, and then we were supposed to apply the bold formatting. So that is all about step number 7 of the assignment. So we are done with 7 steps. So now let me do next step of the assignment, that is step number 8. Step number 8 of the assignment is saying Click or position the insertion point before the second sentence in the first body paragraph at the top of page 3. So we are supposed to place the insertion point before the second sentence in the first body paragraph. The sentence begin with add more in hot water. So let me go to page 3. Here we are supposed to click or position the insertion point before this second sentence, add more in hot water, place the insertion point here. Then this is saying delete the preceding space and period that ends the first sentence, insert an em dash symbol and change the case of add to add. So click here, then remove this space and also this period. Then we are supposed to insert em dash symbol. Click on insert tab and go to symbols. Click more symbols here and go to special characters, and here you can see the first option is for the em dash. Select this one and click insert and close. So now you can see that we have inserted and em dash symbol here. So now we will make this capital A to small a. Okay, so that is all about step number 8. So we are done with step number 8 as well, and now we're gonna do next step, that is step number 9. So now we're gonna do next step, that is step number 9. Select the 4 paragraph in the shaded area near the top of page 1. Apply numbering choosing the number alignment left. So we will go to the Word document, select these 4 paragraphs, and we are supposed to apply numbering to these 4 paragraphs. So for this, go to the home tab. In paragraph section, the second option is for the numbering, and we are supposed to apply the second option, that is number alignment left. So select the second option. So now you can see that we have applied numbering to these 4 paragraphs. Okay, that is all about step number 9, where we were supposed to apply numbering. So I have applied numbering to these 4 paragraphs. So we are done with step number 9. Okay, now let me do next step, that is step number 10. And step number 10 is saying click or position the insertion point at the top of document and insert what ought. So now we are supposed to click or position the insertion point at the top of the document, then we are supposed to insert a word ought, selecting fill blue, accent color 1, shadow. That is given in row 1, column 2. Type pool maintenance. Change the font size of the pool maintenance to 24 and change the text fill to black text 1. Ensure that the word font is Arial. Wrap text at top and bottom and visually center the word dot horizontally on the first line. Okay, so now we are supposed to go to the top of the document and click insert tab, go to word art here, and we are supposed to use this second option, that is fill blue, accent color 1, shadow here. Then we are supposed to type pool maintenance. Okay, here. So we have typed pool maintenance. Then we are supposed to change the font size of the pool maintenance to 24 point and change the text fill to black text 1. Select, go to the home tab and change the font size to 24 point, and again go to the shape format, go to text fill here. Text fill be black text 1, this one. Okay, then we are supposed to apply top and bottom text wrapping. Go to text wrap and apply top and bottom and visually center this. You can see the grid line. So this is the center of the document. We are supposed to visually center this. So that is all about step number 10. So in this video, I have solved 10 steps for you. That is half of the assignment or more than half of the assignment that I have completed for you in this video. But if you want me to do this complete assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, then you can contact me and you can hire me for your complete course. You can also hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics or statistics. Thank you so much. Please reach me out through WhatsApp or email showing at the bottom of the screen. Thank you so much again.